Hi, I'm Nick Cowen. I'm a recently arrived lecturer in criminology here at the University of Lincoln, and I'm also participating in this very exciting conference, the British Society of Criminology. So my topic that I'm going to be talking about later today is entitled Street-Level Theories of Crime, Adapting the Medical Model of Evidence-Based Practice to Policing. Now, what I'm looking at is looking critically at a kind of recent phenomenon in policing studies where there's been a new desire to try and generate a kind of more scientific approach to policing interventions. And one way that people have gone about that is by introducing more experimental methods. And they're kind of borrowing from the notions of evidence-based medicine to do that. So the idea is you can't really know if a policing intervention is reducing crime or having some other valuable social effect unless you've done a randomized controlled trial. In other words, unless you've done a trial where you've experimented with one group receiving a treatment and you're comparing it to a randomly selected similar group that doesn't receive the treatment. Now, although in some ways this approach is quite compelling and can produce some interesting scholarly results, the paper that I'm presenting is going to suggest that often those results are too artificial and not very applicable to real-world practice. And I'm drawing on my co-authors' ideas. This is Professor Nancy Cartwright at Durham University in order to make that. So we come up with a different idea called street-level theories of change, where we say that randomized studies can play a role in helping us to understand the way that particular policing interventions work, but it cannot have the final say. We have to build theory in there, and we have to have a good idea of what's going on in terms of context and in terms of the institutions that are actually implementing these interventions. So do come along, and also come along and try out one of these vodcasts. It's great fun. Thank you very much.